Hi, I'm Kristen Kenny for Vivint. This year, we're bringing even more holiday cheer to your front porch with Doorbell Chimes. Here's how. Open cameras in the Vivint App, then select the gear icon, Doorbell Camera, and find Doorbell Chimes. And here you'll see a list of fun holiday chimes to choose from, and watch as we drop new chimes. So when you're decorating for the holidays, make sure it sounds like the holidays too. I like that one. Like, comment, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so that you know when we upload new videos.